Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you banked very good profit. Today was challenging market, but most of my traders managed amazing pips today, 100 plus pips, because as I said to you guys, we are intraday traders, so we take both counter and the trend trades. Yesterday there was a bank holiday and also there's a Eid festival. I'm still in Eid holidays next 2 days, but I traded today, helped my traders to bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I did today and how my traders bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see here interesting consolidation is developing. That's another sign of the opportunities, and we'll see tomorrow. But today, as I said to my trader, if the price is gonna stay above this level, then we're expecting a long. So we have this morning that breakout, and as you can see here, price respected the support resistance level. We also had a counter short trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries in intraday. If you look at the this morning, that was a pretty straightforward breakout trade. As you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. Look for this breakout if the price is going to break this structure, sideways market. Even if you can see in 4-hour, that was the sideways market. So this was the pretty straightforward breakout long trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous high in 4-hour, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy profit, and let's see if you can get another pullback, or let's wait for the price develop another pattern. And the news was good for the dollar. So we were expecting, we have a job lots today, and that was a very good, high impact news for the dollar. So we were expecting some sort of reversal. So I said to my trader, let's wait for the price to develop another pattern. So you can see here that was a pretty straightforward symmetric triangle pattern. News was good, fundamental. As you can see here, price broken. Even after the price breakout and retest, that give us the confirmation. We announced another pullback as soon as the price hit to the support level. That's what and even you can see here 4-hour, that's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we had a beautiful long trade and the short trade on EURUSD. Let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar was a pretty straightforward. Let me share with you guys. This morning we had this beautiful long trade here, and at the New York session we also had a beautiful short trade here. We had a couple of short trade and long trade here. As I said to you guys, we are intraday. So we look at, so right now we are looking, if you look at here, we are looking this symmetric triangle pattern breakout in pound dollar. We'll see tomorrow how the market is going to react. But let me share with you how I analyze market today, and we manage a beautiful pips. Okay, so let me share with you this morning. That was the 7 o'clock, just 7:30, just before London Open. That was a pretty straightforward. Once the price, we're looking here, once the price developed a double bottom at the support level, that was a pretty straightforward. Nicely first target hit, bank beautiful pips, and explain to wait for the another pattern. As you can see here, once the price develop hit the target, bank some profit, price reverse. And as you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to respect this level, then more likely short trade here. Otherwise look for this breakout, which price nicely broken. As you can see here, that was a beautiful breakout short trade here. Nicely price hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards, as you can see here, price impulsively move up, as you can see here in 4-hour. So we were expecting the price might going to break this level, but we were depend on the news. The news was good for the dollar, so we were expecting reversal, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to develop pullback, then we're expecting a long here. If the news is good for dollar, then possibility of breakout short trade here. But the safest trade after the breakout retest, as you can see here, price broken without changing the color of candle. We have this pullback, beautiful short trade here, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards, as always, after the breakout, price develop another pattern. So technically we were looking a pullback, but as a trader, look here, if the price is going to break this trend resistance and support, we're going to take it. That's what we're going to consider as a safest trade. So you can see here, price nicely broken this pattern. After that, momentum was developed bearish. News was good for the dollar. As you can see here, after the breakout, one pullback, second pullback. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target. That's what explained to my traders time to bank some profit. As you can see here, after banking some profit, price reversed. So we had amazing trade on pound dollar, dollar CAD. As you can see, our bias was long. So right now we were expecting, if the price is going to break, we were expecting if the price gonna break, then we're going to short, otherwise long here. So we had this long trade here and pullbacks long, bank few pp's, and at the New York session we also had a short trade here. We were expecting that possibility of long because the news was good dollar, but as you can see here, price did not move up. So let me share with you the entries. We had amazing trade here. Our bias was long, guys, since the market opened. You can see here long here, we have this long here, and even today we were expecting this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken after the breakout, pullback. I said to trader, guys, buy so long here, momentum was bullish. We have breakout, pullback, bank amazing profit. And at the New York session, price reverse. As you can see here, as always, after the price break, safest trade look for after the pullback. So that's what happened here. As mentioned here, pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price developed this wedge, beautiful breakout short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, as you can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour and how we analyze entries and exit in our intraday system and banking some pips. As you can see, one of my traders bank 109 pips. You can see here most of the trades, beautiful trades. You can see here some of the losing, winning, because being an intraday trader, you can see here some of the trades are losing, but if the end is well, all is well. You can see here, but he recover all of this. Is what exactly we do it. So mostly we bank amazing pips. Today he made a, even market hasn't volatile, but bank on 109 pips. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in this forex trading, this is the platform where we train trader every day with the live market through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, we can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my traders with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.